Question number 3 is about which parts are hydrophilic. We need to extend our concept a little bit. For hydrophilic, everyone knows that, okay, this part is hydrophilic, right? Yeah, and inside is hydrophobic. Okay, so number 2 absolutely not correct. So in here, you just have 2 possible answer. Quite good, 50%. Okay, so you choose yeah, 3 must be correct. Okay, but no use. Both have 3. So the question is about number 1 or number 4. Which one is correct? The concept is like this. This is the protein. Okay, for the part that the outside following, it is hydrophilic. This part is hydrophilic, but for inside one, it is hydrophobic. Really follow the same layers. So as a whole, we can say it is so. Yeah, one is about inside one. Inside one is hydrophobic. So one is incorrect. Okay. But why four is correct? This is a channel, right? It's a channel for thing to diffuses through. Okay, and for thing to diffuses through. Okay, through with the liquid, with the water. So it has to be hydrophilic. Okay, when the thing diffuses through it. So this part, this channel is hydrophilic. So that's it. So the answer is D. We have to extend our concept a little bit, okay, from the bilayer to all the thing, okay, inside. Got it? Sure, cause you are awesome. See you for next question. Bye.